Okay, we're starting out our tour at Pearl River Eco Tours, and it is in Slidell, Louisiana. And we're going to take a 2-hour tour of the bayou and see some of the wildlife there, and learn a little bit about it before we begin our BioBlitz tomorrow.
All right, welcome to Pearl River Eco Tours. I'm Captain Wade. I'm here to take you on a nice journey through the swamp. It's about a 16-mile journey. And what we're going to do is we're going to look for different types of vegetation and animals, any kind of mammals we might see. As you can see, if you're just paying right over here, you will see some alligators right down there in the water. And they like to hang around here. So not only will you see alligators and reptiles, but I'm sure you will spot lots of different types of mammals and birds also. So we're going to go on a journey.
Louisiana has 7.8 million square miles of wetland. At one time, wetlands were considered wastelands, and people did what they could to drain them and turn them into housing developments or farms. Today, they're considered precious, even vital resources. They're a nursery for tens of billions of dollars in fish, mussels, and other food. A hotbed of biodiversity, with plants and animals both beautiful and valuable. They absorb and dissipate the energy of powerful storms, protecting cities and towns. And most of all, they keep the air and water clean by filtering out impurities. Key to this role are mollusks, like the freshwater mussel. A single mussel can filter several gallons of water per day, pulling out algae and tiny organic particles. Unfortunately, most types of freshwater mussels are endangered or threatened. The Pearl River, where we're now traveling, was named for them. But they don't make pearls like oysters do. Their inner shell is called mother of pearl and is used to make jewelry. Trees are also critical to the wetland ecosystem, two in particular, the cypress and the tupelo. Both can thrive in completely waterlogged habitat.
That is a bald cypress tree. Now, the way to tell a bald cypress tree is, first of all, look at the base of the tree, and you're going to see it's very fluted, which means there's a lot of ripples in the base. Then you start to look around the tree, and you see these wooden knobs sticking up. Yes. And also, you can look over here on the right, and you'll see all of these wooden knobs sticking up. That is the cypress knee, and the cypress knee is the snorkel, or the breathing apparatus of the tree.
Smaller plants include the elephant ear and various lilies.
So that is the yellow pond lily. That is the most widely distributed aquatic plant in the world, found on every continent except for Antarctica.
With all these plants as the foundation, the Louisiana wetlands supports a variety of animals, big and small. Birds like the great blue heron and the great egret. Yellow-crowned night herons. Turtles like this red slider. This is the grown-up version of those tiny turtles they sell in pet stores. Of course, the bayou is home to millions of alligators. And mammals, even wild pigs that were brought here from Europe and have returned to their feral state. So, I hope I've given you at least a taste of what it's like to be here in the Louisiana wetlands. The BioBlitz kicks off very shortly, and I'll have much, much more for you. Until then, signing off from the Pearl River, I'm Bob Hirschon.